Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the evolutionary evidences based on biogeography. As we are aware that biogeography is the study of geographic distribution of different plants as well as animals and other form of life. It is concerned not only with the habitation patterns but also with the factor responsible for the variation in the distribution of different population of organisms. Now, biogeography is actually the study of pattern of geographic distribution of various organisms and the factor which determine those patterns of their distribution. Now, this discipline plays a critical role in our understanding of various habitats, various life forms, for example, especially the marine mammals, evolution and adaptation to marine environment, although we are aware that the mammals are the terrestrial animals. How they moved from the terrestrial environment into the marine environment, the adaptation and the geographical distribution that is assisted when we study the biogeography. Now, it also includes the study of world's biome, study of the world's biomes, as well as the taxonomy, which is the naming of different species, and it has strong ties with biology, ecology, evolution studies, climatology, as well as soil sciences. Now, in evolutionary evidence studies, biogeography is important as it sheds light on the natural habitats around the world and the distribution of organisms according to those natural habitats. It is also essential in understanding why species are in their present location and in developing, protecting the world's natural habitats. These ecological biographers, they make extensive use of current population information, and this helps them to study the way in which species develop and interact in the presence of other species and in the different environments. The example of the evolutionary evidence based on biogeography is given here, that giant armadillo in North America, then we have giant anteater in South America, although they are very much distant from each other. And then we have giant pangolin, which is present in the Asia and some part of Europe. Even they are present in Pakistan, some regions of Pakistan as well. And then we have spiny anteater, which is present in other areas, including Australia. These all animals, they are geographically isolated and distributed in the distant habitats. But you can say that there are so many similarities which are present among these animals, including their habitat and their feeding patterns. All of them, they are anteaters mainly, and they have similar habitat, but they are geographically isolated from each other. So the biogeography study helps how the evolution of these organisms took place in different habitats, despite the fact that they share so many common characteristics.